Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video where today we're doing an unboxing and review of Vending Solutions new boxes. Let's get right into it. Alright, so there is the box as you can see. Nice box, well packaged and all that good stuff. Sorry about the camera angle, it's the best I got, but anyways, let's open this up. So excited right now, you guys have absolutely no idea. I was really grateful, business did really good the first year, and now I'm on to the second year. Now I'm buying 10 more boxes, so I'm really blessed for that. Business at 14 years old, not everyone does that, but I did give it a shot and it did turn out well. So now we are at the new stage, and oh, this is good. Y'all can see it? Yeah. This is what I like to see. Well packaged, everything is nice, good looking, unlike Sheridan Systems. You know what? I'm gonna stop talking about Sheridan Systems, but here we go. There we have it. This is just the top part, I think. And it's the top part where it says Feeding America and all that stuff. And I think those are the inserts right there. Set y'all back down real quick. Put that to the side. Now we have more bubble wrap wrapped around everything else, which is, I think this is the actual box here. There we go. There is the actual box. Nice bubble wrapped up and all that good stuff. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all that comes in the box. As you can see, just a few little pieces right there, that come out. But yeah, there we go. Let's open it all. Alright, so here we have the actual box part. Nice, well packaged, perfect bubble wrap. It looks really clean. Put that to the side. Gotta keep my room nice and organized. And dang, I like the colors. Here is one box. I'll just show you all. As you can see, looks pretty cool. Obviously, the other side is just cardboard, because these boxes are made out of cardboard, which is not really a bad thing, because unless you really put it in like a place that you will like destroying boxes, you should be all good to go. But yeah, there's the box. I'll go look at these now. Push that to the side up there. Take an in-depth look over later. But here we have a rubber band. Let me just actually cut this open real quick so it's easier. Again, I apologize about the angle and everything, not the best, but it is what it is. Alright, so yeah, this is the part where it shows us the top. Let me try to get the rubber band off of it. Yeah, there we go. These are the bottom pieces that go at the bottom if you don't want to put in the inserts, which are right there. So yeah, I'll get all this organized and I'll be right back. Bed right there. This is the actual box where you put in the money. It has the money drawer. It has the actual place where you put the candy, all that stuff. And then here are the inserts where you can stick lollipops in if you want, or if you're doing candy, however you want your layout. This is the part where you can just put it in. No insert. If you don't want to put in an insert, you can just put this in. It'll be nice and blue, and you can fill up the candies or however your layout's gonna be. And this is the part that's gonna be on top of the box where it's gonna say Feeding America, which is the cause that you can donate to. You do have a choice, by the way. There's no royalty fee. You just pay the money up front for the box. They send it to you. There's no royalty fee, and you, in your honesty, you have to pay it forward to whichever charity you want. Probably Feeding America, but again, that is still your choice. Just get a close up right there, real quick. Alright, there you go. I'm really pumped up for all of these. Let's go. Alright, so real quick, if you ever decide to get these boxes, which I strongly do recommend, really good investment, really fast ROI. I have a whole video about why auto boxes are the best. Go check that video out. But you can use my code AZAN for 10% off your order. AZAN, AZAN, for 10% off your order. You just put in the discount code section and you'll automatically deduct 10% off your order. You're welcome. Continue with the video. 4 pieces that you're gonna need for one box to make one box. I'll be having a whole video coming out on how to assemble it. Dominic Barbado also has one. You can check that out if you want. But yeah, 4 pieces. I'm gonna assemble it. I'll be right back. The box all built up, ready to go. This is how it is. Again, you guys can check out Dominic Barbado's video on how to assemble the box. I will have my own video set up, ready to go soon also. But yeah, there we go. It wasn't really that hard, and after you really do it the first time, you'll be able to do it next time much easier. And yeah, you can zip tie this so you know it'll be all like ready and good to go. And there are actually all holes at the bottom for zip ties, so you know I definitely do recommend using zip ties. But yeah, here is the box. I really like it, and yeah, this is Sheridan box right there. But you know, say that for the other video. So you can also take this out, and I'll show you real quick. You can just pop that out real quick, put the money box in back, and then you can simply just like pop that in right there. Boom. So you can just fill it up with candies and then pop on the side, or however you want to do it. Yeah. So yeah, just cover up the brown part, and you should be good to go. So you know you can pick that one or this way. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you guys. So there is the look with the lollipops in it. I did leave 2 rows out because I just don't have any lollipops right now. I actually need to go buy a product from BJ's. You guys should check out my videos wherever buy my products. If you guys are new, link will be in the description below. But yeah, that's what it looks like. You know, just imagine there's a couple more pops there. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. You know, it's like uplifting, so you know more people can see it, even if it's like on high countertop. So that is better than Sheridan Systems flat boxes. So good job on that, Dom. Really good idea. But yeah, one last look at the box. And next, I'll be filling up with chocolates. So I'm gonna take these out and fill up with chocolates. I'll be right back. And this box can fill like over 200 pieces of chocolate. I just put this whole bag in this little tiny little box. That is really cool. I guess yeah, it's turned upwards so I can fit like a whole bunch more chocolates in here. Your collection will be much longer in here. You could probably go easy like 3 weeks on here, depending on how good the location is, obviously. But I like it this way much better. I might just put some pops on the side, or however it goes. Take a couple pops. Just put it in the side. Couldn't be that bad. Yeah, that's perfect. Just put it along the side, and you should be good to go. I'll show you guys that right now. When there is chocolates and lollipops in there, so obviously setup that I'm gonna be going with, since I do use blow pops and chocolates. Definitely won't be putting the whole pack in there because this pack costs like $13-14. So definitely put a little less, and then probably put a little more lollipops, because some locations do like lollipops more than chocolates. So that's just one of the things you have to deal with in the business, pushing up some boxes. But I'm gonna use these for swap outs with the Sheridan Systems boxes up there, or I might just completely get rid of them and just start servicing these. Wait and see with the next coming collection. So yeah, last look at the box. So now I'm just gonna make a couple more boxes, and I'll show you guys after I'm done. Let's go. So here I have 4 boxes now, basically ready to go. Just need to put in the candies. They'll be all ready to go. So there we go. I'll just show you guys one last time. All 4 boxes are all ready to go. Just need to put in some candy. I do have some already here, but I do need to go buy more if I need to fill up all of them. And I do also need to go buy some blow pops. So yeah, so I think I did cover everything up for this review so far. I'm pretty sure I covered everything at least. But yeah, over here it says "on your honor" right on the top, right there on the money jar area. And then on the actual top money jar area, it says "thank you, pay here" where the money slot is. And then the price is right there, 50 cents for 1 or $1 for 3. And then both of these sides, right and left, just say candy on their nice little simple signs. On the back it is blank, so I do suggest putting your business card right there, taping it down, or however you want to do it. And then numbering the boxes right here, I think, is the easiest way to do it. When you are doing swap outs, that is the way that I'm gonna be doing it, and you guys will see that when I post my collection videos. So make sure you guys subscribe, post notifications on for that. But anyways, again, this box in the front says "feed me." And it says, for every donation, a portion goes back to feeding the hungry. You can go ahead and, that's actually on the owner's honor. So my honor for this box, it's mine. I donate, whatever I want, however I want. And you know, that just depends on you. Definitely gonna be donating to Feeding America. Again, the prices are there. That never happened. But yeah, the price is there, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. That is all the box right there. Just gonna go ahead and go to BJ's now, and I'm gonna get the candy, and I'm gonna put it in. Then I'm gonna go do a collection this weekend. So make sure you guys subscribe, post notifications on to see that video. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on post notifications. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm tired. Peace.